Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be, this is probably the last video, maybe the last video of editing this one video. It is a cutscene, so I started off with cutscenes, then I showed you how to do the magic, now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the sound effects. Let's go. Okay, so let's get this. So we have all our clips. Okay, so starts. So I've already got the sound effect, and I'm just going to quickly add it, like that. Okay, let's try. Yes, that sounds good. Let's try that. Then I'm gonna add it again.
Come out, wherever you are. Larry, what are you doing in my room? Oh, hey, Dad. Well, could you play hide and seek somewhere else?
Okay, let's go. So let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm going to add it quick.
There's nowhere for you guys to hide now. You're going down, Lenny. We'll see about that, Larry. Hey guys, can I borrow one?
Let's see how it sounds. Okay, now I'm gonna add media. This. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Oh, probably got the wrong clip. So delete it. Media again. How do you get? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I could probably use this right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, then we go back to media. Get the clip. You know what? Yeah, I've got that. About there. You could get some more sound effects if you wanted to, but yeah. Actually, for this, okay, no, probably not. So yeah, here's what you got. Here's what I've got done. See you guys in the next one. Bye.